Hello to my talented sewing friends. I hope you're feeling energetic today and ready for an exciting tutorial. Every masterpiece begins with the fabric, tweed, textured, timeless, perfectly balanced between warmth and elegance. Wool blends, soft, structured, and full of quiet luxury. From these fabrics, something extraordinary is born. Imagine walking through Paris. The soft echo of your heels on the cobblestone street. Eyes turn, not because you're trying, but because you belong in this moment. This isn't just a jacket. It's a cropped tweed statement piece, crafted with gold buttons, tailored lines, and a cut that celebrates your waistline and your confidence. Whether paired with a flowing floral skirt or high-waisted trousers, it whispers sophistication, not noise. You're not just wearing fashion, you're wearing a feeling. Stay with me, because the secret behind this jacket isn't just how it looks, it's how it makes you shine. The length of this jacket sits just above the hips, around 45 to 50 centimeters from the shoulder. That's why it's called a cropped jacket. This perfect cut instantly makes your legs look longer and gives your whole look that graceful, feminine balance. It's one of those little fashion secrets that changes the way your silhouette feels. Simple, but powerful. Wait, before we go any further, tell me, where are you watching from? Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit that share button if you're loving these Parisian looks. And hey, check out the playlist for more style secrets like this one. Tweed jacket, a true fashion icon. It's that perfect blend of classic Parisian chic and modern tailored elegance. Think timeless sophistication with a modern twist. A piece that feels both powerful and effortlessly feminine. It has that Parisian magic, simple, refined, and forever stylish. The kind of jacket that never goes out of style, no matter where you wear it. And if you'd like to see how this classic collar is made, I've added a link right up here. It's the full tutorial on sewing a classic notched lapel collar. Save it for later and check it out when you're done with this video. Here's a little design tip for you. Since this jacket is perfect for fall, make sure to keep the fit slightly relaxed. You'll want that extra room so you can layer cozy autumn blouses underneath and still feel totally comfortable and effortless. Oh, and don't forget, Give that same ease to the back and the sleeves when drafting your pattern. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Spurky pun! Let's talk about fabrics, because the magic of this jacket starts right there. The classic choice is tweed, that timeless, textured fabric we all love. You can also go for boucle wool blend, soft, warm, and beautifully structured. A wool polyester mix works great too. It's lighter, more flexible, and perfect if you want an everyday version. For the lining, try satin or silk. It adds that luxurious touch and helps the jacket glide smoothly over your clothes. And here's the fun part. You can get creative with velvet, leather, denim, or even cashmere for a truly chic twist. Each fabric brings its own personality, so pick the one that feels most you. Hey, quick question. Where are you watching from? I love seeing where my fashion friends come from around the world. If you're enjoying this look, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and of course, share this video with someone who loves style as much as you do. And if you haven't yet, check out the playlist for more chic tutorials and Paris-inspired outfits. Now, for the back of this jacket, you've got two great options. You can either add a center seam or cut it on the fold of the fabric for a clean, seamless look. But here's a little tip. To shape that natural curve at the upper back, you can add a small dart near the neckline. It helps the jacket sit beautifully on the body. This curve is completely natural. Some people just have a slightly more pronounced one, especially if their neck leans a bit forward or their upper back is more rounded. Adjusting that tiny detail makes your jacket fit like it was made just for you. When it comes to the sleeves, you've got two beautiful options. You can go with the one-piece sleeve, which is simple and classic. I've already shared the full basic pattern tutorial for that one, so you can check it out from the link up here. Or if you want to take things up a notch, try the two-piece tailored sleeve. It looks more elegant and perfectly follows the natural curve of your arm. I have also posted a step-by-step guide on how to draft it like a pro. You can find that link right up here too. Trust me, once you see the difference, you'll never go back to basic sleeves again. I've got a small but very important tip for you. If you're using the two-piece sleeve pattern, make sure to add the same amount of ease to the sleeve that you added to the jacket body, but do it like a professional. If you're not exactly sure how to do that, rewind a few seconds and watch that part again carefully. It's these little details that make your final piece look cleaner, more precise, and truly professional. This jacket is perfect for so many occasions, from elegant business meetings to stylish city moments. It's ideal for chic professional or formal dates, semi-formal gatherings and evening events, luxurious street style, that effortless Paris look, brunches, art gallery visits, or exclusive fashion events. Wherever you wear it, this jacket adds that touch of quiet confidence, elegant, timeless, and effortlessly refined. Let's talk about the design details, because this jacket is all about elegant structure and quiet luxury. Collar, a classic notched lapel, timeless and sophisticated. Buttons, gold or pearl tone metal, usually 4 to 6, adding that touch of shine. Sleeves, full length with a clean classic fit. Details, double pockets on the chest and lower front, perfectly placed to shape the shoulders and create visual balance. Overall style, structured, feminine, and beautifully refined. And the signature of this piece, that perfect trio, a cropped cut, tweed texture, and gold buttons. Together, they create a look that feels luxurious, confident, and just a little bit princess-like. Let's talk about how this jacket fits different body shapes, because one of the best things about this design is how universally flattering it is. Hourglass. It beautifully highlights the waist and keeps that perfect balance of proportions. Pear. The structured shoulders create width on top, balancing out the hips for an elegant silhouette. Rectangle. Adds gentle curves and gives the illusion of a more defined waistline. It also works for apple or inverted triangle body shapes. Just pair it with looser trousers or an A-line skirt to balance the upper and lower body. This pattern fits perfectly from XS to 2XL. You just need to adjust the bust and length to your own measurements. And thanks to tweed's structured texture, it holds its shape beautifully, even in larger sizes. Let's talk about fabric requirements because choosing the right amount of fabric is where every beautiful jacket truly begins. For this cropped tweed jacket, you'll need around 1.2 to 1.5 meters of fabric, depending on your size and sleeve length, about 1.1 meters of lining fabric for the inside, and a small amount of interfacing for the collar, facings, and front panels to help the jacket keep its elegant structure. If your fabric has a pattern or a textured weave like tweed, always buy a little extra so you can match the design perfectly. It's those small details that make your final piece look cleaner, more professional, and truly special. If this style inspired you, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss what's coming next. I've also added another chic, on-trend piece for this season. It's right here next to this video in the playlist. And tell me, where are you watching from? I love knowing where in the world you're creating fashion with me.